morning guys, welcome to the channel. Today we got a new package delivered for the Duramax. Alright, so this is a Move off-road bumper. It's a DIY kit. Here's your brackets. Then you got your bumper pieces. Then you got your front piece. And you can see we got the Move emblem here. And this right here is a cutout for a 30-inch light bar. Alright guys, so now we need to pull the Duramax up here. We need to pull the front end up in the garage. And we can get ready to start taking the stock front bumper off. But before you do that, you want to look through your kit, make sure you got all your pieces and all the hardware's in there before you take the stock bumper off. Alright, so since my truck has the bull bar, we're going to remove it first and go ahead and disconnect the light bar. Then we can start removing the stock front bumper. Alright guys, so now we got the front bumper off. I'm going to go ahead and put the grill back on here, and then we can get ready to start putting our brackets on for the bumper. First piece we're going to get is this little bracket right here. And this piece here goes on just like this, and it goes right here on the top section of the bumper. So it's going to go right here on top just like that, and we'll be able to reuse the factory bolt for that. Alright, now we'll grab our other bracket, and it goes here on the other side just like the other one. It's just flipped around. And after you get that on, you're going to need to find this bracket right here, and that bracket's going to go right here. It's going to slide over just like that. Just line that hole up. Then at the bottom of the frame, you're going to need to put a bolt right there. Alright, so you're going to have a bolt right there on the side, and you're going to have one underneath. You're going to do the same thing for the passenger side. Alright, we got the passenger side bracket on. And now all the brackets are on. And now we're ready for our front piece. We can go ahead and hold that up there. Might want to get somebody to help you holding the pieces up so you can tack them on there. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to tack this middle piece. And as soon as I get the middle piece lined up, I'm going to put a couple tacks on it. Then I can go ahead and start by putting the side sections on, which is these pieces here. Then after you get those tacked up, we're going to put these end pieces on. So I'm going to get somebody to help me hold these pieces up, and I'll show you how they go together. Alright, so you can see I got the bumper tacked on there, and what you're going to need to do is just get somebody to help you hold these pieces up, and you can go ahead and put a few tacks on there. Now you just want to do a few tacks for now, in case you need to take it back off or adjust some things. So just put a few tacks on there. As you can see, we got the side pieces on there. Same thing on the other side. Did have to cut it off a couple times just to get it lined up properly. Alright guys, so next I'm going to install these little mounts here for the D-ring mounts. And I'm going to install these about right here. About right through there. That's where it ties into the frame mounts. I figure it'd be stronger if I put it there. And pull the bumper off so I can install the mounts for the LED light bar and the LED pods. There really wasn't enough room to weld them on there with the bumper on the truck. So this flat piece here is for the light bar. You're just going to center it up, and I'll come on the back side and tack this. Alright, now we need to install them little plates right there, which is these. And they're going to go just like that. So now it's time to mount the LED pod mounts. Alright guys, so one little problem I'm seeing is the way they got the pod mounts. So I got the bumper sitting back on the truck right now. So it looks like I'm either going to have to cut a little bit on the pod mount or kind of angle them a little bit different. Mount and hitting this metal piece up in here on the truck. So I'm going to have to adjust some things a little bit, maybe trim the mount. Alright guys, so I went ahead and turned the bumper over so I can weld the backside of all the brackets and light bar mounts. And before I did that, I went ahead and test fitted on the truck, and there's now enough room for me to put the pod mounts, so I'm going to go ahead and weld all them up. Alright guys, so you can see I've been grinding some of the welds down. I put a little bit of primer on it just to make sure it's going to look okay before I paint it. As you can see, I got the tube bar on, and the tube bar, you're going to have to cut it at an angle to make it fit right. You may have to cut it a few times and then go ahead and tack it on there and see what it looks like. Then when you're happy with it, everything measured up right and level, you can go ahead and weld it up. You got an option with these side pieces too. I decided just to keep the middle bar. I think it looks a little bit better, but you always do have that option to. You do always have that option to weld this bar up too if you want to. And these mounts right here are for the light bar, but I won't be able to use these on mine. My light bar don't have the bolt on the side to do that. It's got a bunch of bolts at the bottom, so what I'm gonna have to do is drill a hole in that bottom plate there and mount it like that. Alright, so I'm gonna finish grinding all these welds down and making them look real good. Then we'll be ready for our first coat of primer.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I got everything all smoothed down the way I want it and got everything installed. Went ahead and drilled out all the holes for the light bar mounts. I went ahead and test fit all the lights. Everything seems to be okay. Got all the welds smoothed down the way I want them. And so now I believe it's time to go ahead and put the first coat of primer on. Alright, so we got the first coat on. Now it's time to put the second coat. Time for the third coat. Alright guys, so now it's time to spray on the bed liner. Alright, got the first coat on, now time for the second coat. Alright guys, so I sprayed the final coat on and now it's dry. So what I'm doing right now is installing the LED pods. Here's the brand I'm using. They're pretty good lights. I've used them before, had no problems with them. Alright guys, so now we got the lights installed. Alright, so I got the bumper on the truck now and I got the light bar mounted. And now there's just one more thing I want to do. Alright, the bumper is now finished, and I'll pull it out, let you see it a little bit better. Alright guys, so the bumper is complete. I'm very happy with it. I do recommend Move bumpers. They make some pretty good bumpers, and they're real easy to put together and they look real good, so I definitely recommend them. So if you want an affordable bumper, go check out Move. Guys, I'll try to get some better shots of it here later on, but I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.